Good morning, this is SmartWatchSpecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back again with the microwear or the W17 Smartwatch. And of course, we are going to answer again another questions on okay, on how to change the time, the army time or the 24-hour time to 12-hour time. And of course, we are also going to tackle about the notifications functions on how to activate it. Okay, so we have here the W17 Smartwatch, and we have the support app, okay, the M Active Pro Smartwatch. Okay, so we have here the UI of the M Active Pro. Okay, on the bottom part, we have the home, sport, device, and your profile here. Okay, so let's go first with the switching from 24-hour time or the 12-hour time to 24-hour military time. Okay, so go to your my section here, and you see here, okay, we have, as you can see, we have some details here. Okay, target steps, unit settings, female health, frequently asked questions, feedback, and about. So go to your unit settings here. Okay, and you can see here the time unit. Okay, you see it here. So you can change it to 12-hour system. Okay, the format time that we are much comfortable. So then try to tap on the check, and it will automatically update to your device. If it's not updated, just refresh your support app. Okay, so later on, okay, in the afternoon, it will change to 12-hour format time. Okay, so next, what if you want to receive a notification from social app as well as SMS and call? So go to info notice here. Okay, then wait, then toggle it on. Okay, if you still haven't allowed the permission, it will ask for permissions, and just allow it. Okay, here on the bottom part, you pick the apps that you want to receive notifications, like Twitter. Okay, we have here, let's say Facebook. Let's look for the Facebook here. Facebook. Okay, if you want to receive weather also, you can. Okay, where's the messenger? Okay, we have here the messenger. Then that's it. Go back, just refresh your device, and it will be, you can receive notifications when someone sends you an SMS or social app, or someone calls you. Okay, so very easy. Okay, setting up your W17 smartwatch to the M Active Pro smartwatch. Okay, so we have other options here, and of course, as we go on, we're going to provide you more information on how to set up your W17 smartwatch, okay, including here in the sports. So we have an update here. Okay, let's just update it again. If you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, please drop a comment below, and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. So seems like we do have an update. We will update our smartwatch as well as the app, and we'll see. Okay, we'll try to provide an update to you if what are the changes. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Goodbye.